How to create a registered Chase Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register into Chase Bank online banking services using the mobile app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, make sure that you have Chase Bank application installed in your device. If you don't have it installed yet, you can simply install it from the Play Store. And once you have installed it, simply open the app. And once you are inside the app, you can simply tap on sign up option. And after that, you will be prompted to the page where you need to enter the details for registering your account. So start by choosing your account type. It can be personal, business or both. And after choosing that, you simply need to enter your account number, a debit or credit card number. And once you're done with that, you need to provide your social security number. And once you do that, you simply need to create a username and provide a secure password for your online banking account. And once you have filled in all the required details, you can simply submit the form by tapping on next. And once completed, you will be prompted to the page where you have to set up your profile. And once you do that, you will be successfully registered for Chase Bank online banking services. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.